There is a Disney, Denzel Washington, Walt Disney / BB King version. That is 23 minutes. You may watch that in your free time. It's excellent. In your free time after ELA, we're not going to have time to show it to you with the slides. So we're going to roll up. Yep. Sure, I can do it again. That's no problem. Okay, here we are. There it is. Yes, the song. Thank you, Emmanuel. Yes. Here we are, don't turn away now. We are the warriors that built this town. Because he did build it. So why, if he built it, should you now replace him with a with a train? That was his point. That was his wife there. They're showing the wife. Correct. Absolutely, we're going to open it right now. I'm going to make the screen bigger. I know. Got you right now. Give it a second because you know the tech takes its sweet time. Okay, and I'm going to make it bigger. You're doing very well with this. Author's purpose in terms of its craft and structure of the text, that is not easy. This is our third John Henry text through. Thank you, Milan. Shine on you through a screen. Stay with us. You're doing very well. You're doing very well. We're actually ahead. Mr. B, we're making very good time today. We are actually ahead today. Shine on, oh yes, in terms of our slides, because the children were so right and ready upon coming back from that break. And as you saw, y'all, the principal, he does check in, make sure that we don't take liberties on that break. And I appreciate that. I really appreciate that. Okay. And we have the I notice, I wonder. We are going to skip. We are going to do a little skippity, hop, hop, hop. Okay with this? So I just need to do a scroll because in my life, this is just what this is what Mr. B and I have to do. Don't feel away on this. Don't get nervous on it. Okay, praise. Okay. All right. And the heart of the lesson here is the I notice, I wonder. And we're going to skip to slide 6 if it's okay with you. Okay? You're going to scroll down and you're going to roll up on that slide 6. That is thank you, Milan. Shine on you already volunteering. Praise your precious name. And Roderick. Excellent, Roderick. Roderick on deck. Go ahead, Milan. You go first and then we'll get Roddy on it. Yep. Unmute. What did you notice about the John Henry version by Julius Lester? On deck, Roddy. I got you. Go ahead.
I noticed that he was a...
Take your time.
He was a builder.
Oh, yes.
And a builder and a husband.
Yes! Oh, yes, Melania! Shine upon... Oh, yeah. It's getting hot in here. Let me open my window up. Oh, yes, Milan. On fire. Starting us off with this hard text. Oh, yuppers. Melania on fire. Fire. To the stew is on fire. Whoa. Excellent. And I'm going to quote her. If her answer speaks to you, you write it down. And I will take a picture and Mr. B and I will send it through. And a husband. Beautiful. Praise. Isn't that nice? And it's, let me put the period. Okay, and it's Milan. Look at Paige. Paige got her paper. Shine on you. Praise your precious name. Milan and 2-2. Beautiful. I'm going to leave it that size because to put it any smaller don't make no sense. Okay? So that we can write it. Some kids are using their notebooks. Some kids are typing in the Google Classroom. Everyone is different. Mr. B and I know that children that don't have that Chromebook, have a phone, have a tablet, it's much harder to have two screens open. So I understand why they're writing it. That's right. See, there you go. Good page. Excellent. Beautifully done. Shine on you, Milan. Look at the children writing it down. Look at the children writing it down. Look at them typing it. Beautiful. Praise. X. That's right. Have your snack, Kira. Of course. Don't starve on it. Very nice. And we will send, very nice. There you go, Macy Mace. X, I see Macy Mason Roderick. Beautiful. Yes, I will absolutely tell Ms. Brown. Absolutely. Tell that y'all are her. And Mason. Got you right now. So you're getting your points and your attendance. No minion left behind. That's right. That's right. Beautiful. Praise. We welcome you. We're thrilled to see you. I didn't recognize you. I'm sorry. We didn't recognize that. You look so mature, like two real men. Look at Roderick and Mason. Hey, wait! Get your wave on! We see you! Oh, yes, young sirs! Look at Bryce waving to the family. Waving to Mason and Roderick. That's right, we welcome them. Yes, we miss you. We miss you. I know. Praise. That's right. Shine on you. Shine. Thank you for coming. Thank you for not forgetting us. Okay? Excellent, Naleon. Look at Kate. Beautiful. Thank you, Amelia. That's right. You're part of our family. Now, Milan, what else is it that you wonder? So look at the kids. You see, Milan, how they're writing down. That's what you said spoke to them. And that's the truth, Milan. Beautiful. Is there something that you wonder about this man, this legend, John Henry? Don't tell her now. Give her a chance now. Nobody tell her.
I wonder
Beautiful.
where does where he live?
Excellent. Beautiful, Milan. Shine on you. Milan wondering. That's right. Give her shine. Give her shine. Blow up that chat. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Shine on you. Where is he at? Where does he live? And that speaks to the story stones. That speaks to that plot diagram that we did yesterday, the setting. Beautiful. Where does John, or where did, we'll use the past tense so that's right, if that's okay. I wonder, where did John Henry live? Beautiful, which speaks to the setting. I'm going to quote her, okay, and I'm going to put, this is the setting. We're going to put setting in parentheses. So that excellent, yep, that's fine. Beautiful. And Milan, she closed the quote. She followed the norm. She muted her own self so that Roderick and Mason can speak up on it. Go ahead, Macy Mace. Go ahead, Roderick. What do you notice? What do you wonder? Give him a sec. Yes, you got to unmute. Go ahead, Mason. Go ahead, Roderick. Unmute. We'd love to write what you have to say. Give them a sec now. It's their first time in our family now. We've missed them. It's been a while. Take your time. That's fine. As soon as you unmute, Roddy, as soon as you unmute, and you take your time, you and Mason unmute. We want to hear what you have to say. I will write it down for the children. That's right. He's like, yeah. He's like, yeah. It's that because I can't unmute you. Okay, it's good. But we want to hear, yeah. They're trying, guys. They're having a tech issue. You keep trying. You as soon as you unmute, we want to hear from you, sirs. It's hard. I know, honey. I know, because everybody's volume is in a different place. So you're on an iPad. So where would the volume be on the iPad? Okay. The volume on an iPad should be similar to the phone. Is it a button? Is there a volume button on the side that you can manually press, gentlemen? There might be. It's hard to see the volume. Hey, thumbs up. Shine. Give them shine. Mason Roderick. Oh, yes. My heart is full. The family, you see, Mr. B, how dedicated they are? They are from our after school family. And sometimes they would join us during our lessons, and we've been missing on them because we ain't seen them. Shine on you. That's a real man. Thank you, Mason. Thank you, Roderick. You see, Milan, how they're writing it down? You see how what you said spoke to him? Praise. And that's plenty, y'all. That's plenty right like that there. I wonder, gee, where did he live at? Get that wonder on. Because in life, it's the truth. It's the truth. He did move around, okay? That railroad that Ajay and Caden and y'all read on yesterday, it started in West Virginia. They say the Appalachian Chesapeake area. But it traversed the country. So that's an excellent question. It's almost like Milan. It's everywhere, right? So any answer that y'all put for setting anywhere within the United States, I mean, you would be correct. Yeah. And it is Southern. It is, Midwestern. So excellent. Thank you, Paige. Look, Paige wrote it down. Excellent. So I'm going to take a screenshot right now with my phone. Hold up your answer with her notebook and hearts. Shine on you, Paigey. Look at that, Milan. That is the best form of flattery. You see how she wrote what you said because it spoke to her. I took three pictures for the principal. I took 3 pictures. Shine. And Paige, if you look, Milan is giving you the shine back. Good girl. You may put it down. Good girl. Excellent. That's a lot of dedication. Shine. That's right. That's I see you over there, yuppers. Beautifully done. Beautiful. Excellent, Nayli. Yes, Paris, I see your hand up. Go ahead, Paris. Unmute. Give us an I notice or I wonder. Don't tell her now. Give her a chance.
Next wonder could be, I wonder where this story took place.
Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Beautiful. Let me grab on that. Speaks to that setting. The principal's going to be real proud on it, and I'm going to quote her. The next I wonder would be, I wonder where the story, because it's a different one, because it's Julius Lester. Beautiful. Excellent. Takes place. Beautiful, wonderful. I'm going to close the quote and we're going to put Paris and 2-2. Oh, yes. Clap it up. Give her some shine. Yep. Yes, go ahead.
I noticed how John Henry makes her wife happy because sometimes when she do her work, he always do it, but he's tired. And sometimes when he tries his best to work, then he get a lot of money.
Excellent. You see, Paris, how Paige how what you said that sparked Paige to have the confidence to speak up. Beautiful. Give her some shine. Give those girls some shine. And I love that collab. Excellent, Paige. I'm going to write that down right now. She said that she noted. Good. Very good. Roderick called it up. Let me take a picture for you and Macy. Beautiful. Those are real men's. I wonder where he was born. Typing it right now. Shine on you. Real men's. They couldn't listen, y'all. They're having trouble with the volume. They weren't thwarted. They weren't hindered. I took 3 pictures. They got their point across. They wrote. I'm going to write it right now, what you and Paige said. Beautiful. Oh, what? You see, Mr. B? You see how he comes down? The children, they just lift me right up. I'm going to be excellent. I wonder. Let me get the gentleman first. I wonder where he was born. Praise your precious name. I'm going to put the question mark, close the quote the gentleman. We have Roderick and Mason, real men, and the family of 2-2, our family. Shine upon you. You see I wrote it? See how they're writing it down, gentlemen? You see how they're writing it down? Shine on you, children. Mr. B and I, you just lift us right up. You touch us. Paige, I got you right now. Oh my God, this is more than, we only had to do 1 or 2. Look at this, Mr. B. Look at this, children. Paige, I got you right now. I got you right now. She's got her I noticed. Got you right now, Paige. I'm going to put it up here so the kids can see it, okay? I'm going to put it up top so the children can see.